Optimize your circulation. 12 foods for better blood flow to your legs and feet. Hello, dear viewers. The human body is a masterpiece of interconnected systems where even small dietary changes can lead to significant health benefits. One crucial yet often overlooked function is circulation. Proper blood flow is vital not just for heart health but also for keeping your legs and feet warm, energized, and pain-free. Whether you're an athlete striving for peak performance, someone managing circulatory issues, or simply looking to improve overall vascular health, the right foods can make a major difference. In this video, we'll explore 12 scientifically backed foods that naturally enhance circulation, helping to prevent issues like numbness, cold feet, and sluggish blood flow. Let's dive into your kitchen and discover the best foods for boosting circulation. 1. Fatty fish, the omega-3 powerhouse. Fatty fish such as salmon, mackerel, sardines, and tuna are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which offer a range of health benefits, especially for circulation. These healthy fats help reduce inflammation in blood vessels, lower triglycerides, and prevent blood clotting, improving overall blood flow. Omega-3 South also help regulate blood pressure, which further supports cardiovascular health. Regular consumption of fatty fish has been linked to a reduced risk of heart disease, stroke, and chronic inflammation. To gain the maximum benefits, aim to include at least 2 servings of fatty fish per week, ideally baked or grilled to preserve the beneficial omega-3 content. A nutrient-packed powerhouse, fatty fish plays a crucial role in supporting heart and circulatory health. 2. Garlic, the natural blood vessel expander. Garlic is a powerful natural ingredient known for its ability to support circulation and heart health. The key compound in garlic, allicin, helps relax blood vessels and reduce their stiffness, promoting better blood flow throughout the body. Allicin also prevents blood clotting by making platelets less sticky, which further enhances circulation. In addition to its circulatory benefits, garlic is rich in antioxidants that combat oxidative stress and inflammation, protecting overall health. Regular garlic consumption can also help lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of heart disease. To reap the full benefits, aim for 1 to 2 raw garlic cloves daily, added to meals or as a supplement. A simple yet powerful food, garlic supports healthy blood vessels and contributes to overall well-being. 3. Walnuts, a heart-healthy snack for superior circulation. Walnuts are an excellent snack for promoting superior circulation and heart health. Packed with alpha-linolenic acid ALA, a plant-based omega-3 fatty acid, walnuts help reduce inflammation in the blood vessels, improve blood flow, and lower the risk of clotting. Additionally, walnuts contain arginine, an amino acid that converts to nitric oxide in the body, helping blood vessels relax and dilate for better circulation. Rich in antioxidants, fiber, and essential minerals like magnesium and copper, walnuts support overall cardiovascular health, reduce oxidative stress, and improve digestion. To maximize their benefits, enjoy a handful of walnuts daily, either as a snack, added to salads, or blended into smoothies. A heart-healthy, nutrient-packed snack, walnuts play a key role in boosting circulation and supporting long-term cardiovascular wellness. 4. Turmeric, the golden spice for circulation. Turmeric, often referred to as the golden spice, is renowned for its powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. The active compound, curcumin, plays a vital role in improving blood circulation by reducing inflammation in the blood vessels and promoting healthy blood flow. Curcumin also enhances blood vessel function, helping them dilate and relax, which improves overall circulation. Beyond its circulatory benefits, turmeric supports joint health, boosts brain function, and may help protect against chronic diseases like heart disease and cancer. To maximize its benefits, consume turmeric with black pepper, which enhances the absorption of curcumin by up to 2,000%. You can incorporate turmeric into curries, smoothies, or teas for a flavorful and health-boosting addition to your diet. 5. Berries, tiny but mighty antioxidant sources. Berries, including strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries, are small but packed with powerful antioxidants that promote healthy circulation. Rich in flavonoids, these antioxidants stimulate the production of nitric oxide, which helps relax and widen blood vessels, improving blood flow. This enhanced circulation benefits your legs, feet, and overall cardiovascular health. Berries are also packed with fiber, vitamins, and minerals like vitamin C, which supports immune function, and manganese, which promotes healthy bones. Regular consumption of berries can reduce inflammation, combat oxidative stress, and lower the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease. Enjoy a serving of fresh berries daily, whether as a snack in smoothies or sprinkled over yogurt, to enjoy their circulation-boosting and health-promoting benefits. 6. Citrus fruits, vitamin C for vascular strength. Citrus fruits like oranges, lemons, and grapefruits are excellent sources of vitamin C, a crucial nutrient for strengthening blood vessels and promoting healthy circulation. Vitamin C helps maintain the integrity of capillary walls, ensuring smooth and efficient blood flow throughout the body, including the legs and feet. These fruits also contain flavonoids such as hesperidin, which further improve blood vessel function and reduce inflammation, boosting circulation. In addition to supporting vascular health, citrus fruits are rich in antioxidants that protect the body from oxidative damage and bolster the immune system. Including citrus fruit in your daily diet, whether fresh, juiced, or added to salads and smoothies, can provide a delicious, natural way to keep your circulatory system in top shape and enhance overall well-being. 7. Dark chocolate, a guilt-free circulation booster. Dark chocolate, especially with at least 70% cocoa, is not only a delicious treat but also a powerful circulation booster. Rich in flavonoids, dark chocolate helps stimulate the production of nitric oxide, which relaxes and widens blood vessels, improving blood flow. This enhanced circulation benefits your legs, feet, and overall cardiovascular health. In addition to its circulation-boosting properties, dark chocolate is packed with antioxidants that combat oxidative stress and inflammation, potentially lowering the risk of heart disease. It also contains essential minerals like magnesium and iron, which support various bodily functions. For the best benefits without overdoing calories, enjoy 1 to 2 ounces of dark chocolate per day. For the best benefits without overdoing calories, enjoy 1 to 2 ounces of dark chocolate per day. A small piece can satisfy your sweet tooth while promoting better circulation and heart health, making dark chocolate a guilt-free indulgence. 8. Leafy greens, the ultimate circulation enhancer. Leafy greens such as spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are powerhouse foods that significantly enhance circulation. Rich in nitrates, these greens help the body convert them into nitric oxide, a molecule that relaxes and expands blood vessels, allowing for better blood flow to the legs and feet. Additionally, leafy greens are packed with vitamins A, C, and K, along with essential minerals like magnesium and iron, all of which support cardiovascular health. Their high fiber content also aids digestion and weight management. Regularly consuming leafy greens in salads, smoothies, or as side dishes can provide a natural and effective way to boost circulation. With their nutrient-dense profile, leafy greens are an excellent choice for anyone seeking to improve overall blood flow and maintain a healthy heart. 9. Ginger, the warming root for blood flow. Ginger is a powerful root with numerous health benefits, particularly when it comes to improving blood circulation. Packed with gingerol, a compound known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, ginger helps reduce inflammation in the blood vessels and enhances blood flow. It also prevents blood clot formation by making platelets less sticky, further promoting circulation. Ginger's warming effect stimulates blood flow, making it especially beneficial for colder months or for people with poor circulation. Beyond circulation, it aids digestion, reduces pain and inflammation, and may lower blood sugar levels. Consuming ginger daily, whether fresh, dried, or in the form of tea, can offer a natural and delicious way to boost blood flow and support overall health. 10. Celery, the underrated circulatory booster. Celery is often overlooked, but it's a potent food for boosting circulation. Rich in nitrates, celery helps the body convert them into nitric oxide, a compound that relaxes and widens blood vessels, improving blood flow. This promotes better circulation, especially to the legs and feet. Additionally, celery contains a compound called phthalates, which can help lower blood pressure by relaxing the artery walls. Beyond supporting circulation, celery is a great source of antioxidants, fiber, and essential vitamins like vitamin K, which is vital for blood clotting and bone health. Its high water content also helps maintain hydration, supporting overall vascular health. Including celery in your daily diet, whether in salads, smoothies, or as a snack, can provide a simple and refreshing way to promote healthier circulation. 11. Pomegranates, the circulation-enhancing superfruit. Pomegranates are a powerful superfruit known for their ability to boost circulation. Packed with polyphenol antioxidants, they help relax and dilate blood vessels, improving blood flow throughout the body, including the legs and feet. Rich in vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C and potassium, they support immune health and cardiovascular function. Whether enjoyed as seeds, juice, or added to meals, incorporating pomegranates into your diet offers a delicious and nutrient-packed way to promote healthy blood flow. 12. Beets, nature's nitrate-rich blood flow booster. Beets are a powerful natural food for improving blood circulation. High in nitrates, which the body converts into nitric oxide, beets help relax and widen blood vessels, allowing for better blood flow to the legs and feet. This enhanced circulation can also lower blood pressure and improve overall heart health. Beets are rich in antioxidants such as betalains, which combat inflammation and oxidative stress. Incorporating these circulation-boosting foods into your diet can significantly enhance blood flow to your legs and feet, improving overall vascular health. Remember, diet is just one piece of the puzzle. Staying active, maintaining a healthy weight, and managing stress are equally essential for optimal circulation. Try adding a few of these superfoods to your meals this week and experience the difference for yourself. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips and nutrition insights. Stay healthy and keep that blood flowing.